Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my p08 luger. So here it is. I think this is my second one. That I made. And guys, please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing. So yeah, first you need a square sheet of paper, like so, and you want to start out with a boat base. So I'm going to first fold a water bomb base, then sink the top of it to make the boat base. Okay, so first you want to fold it in half, like so. Then you want to fold it in half again, like this. And then you want to open up this pocket right here. Then you want to fold that down. And then you want to flip it over and do the same thing on this side now. So you want to open up this pocket right here. Then you want to fold that down. Okay. And now you want to bring this point right here right up to this edge right there. So you want to fold this whole thing in half. So follow the center crease line and bring that point right up to the top, like so. Okay, and make a good crease right here. So dig your nail into it. Okay, and now you're going to unfold what you did just now. And then you're going to sink this bottom triangle inside. So you want to open up that area, which is the whole model at the moment. And now you see that smaller square in the middle. You want to fold up all the edges, okay? All the crease line I meant. Here's the mountain fold. All that crease line. Okay, and you're gonna fold in that middle portion. So you're gonna follow the crease line right there, and you're going to fold that inside, like so. Or what I usually like to do is fold one, and kind of drag this down, or either way. Okay, fold that down, and now you want the longer edge towards you and the shorter edge to the back. Okay, you can see, and you want to sink this bottom. Okay, so if it's like this bottom piece, you want to fold in this triangle right here. Okay, so first you want to pre-crease it. So you want to bring this point right up to the center line. So where that corner is, you're gonna fold this triangle right there. Then unfold. Then open up this pocket. Then fold in the triangle. Okay, and now we're gonna fold this whole piece in half, like this. Okay. So the center edge is on top. Okay. So it should look like this. And now for the pistol grip, you want to bring that bottom piece right here and fold it all the way down, like so. But then you want it on a slant, like that, like so. So drag it kind of back. Okay. I don't know what degrees on the pistol grip is on, but yeah, fold in a slant. Okay, and now you see this back piece right here. You see where this corner is? You want to fold that triangle where that corner is. Fold that down. And now you want to fold this point right here all the way up to the top, okay? Or that corner. Like so. And then you want to open up this pocket. Fold that down. Okay. And then you want to fold up all the corners to make that round. Okay, it's gonna take me a while to do so. So give me a second. Okay, and for the top one, it's gonna be covered different way. Okay, and now you wanna drag this up, kind of fold the back side up like that, right up to the top. This corner came out. Okay, like that. And now you see this extra piece, just fold it to the back side like that. It's going to be a little uneven, but it's okay. And now you want to bring these two edges right up to the top, and make sure this edge here is kind of vertical. Okay, so you can leave just a little bit of that top open. Same thing in the back. And now you want to fold in just the tip of that corner. Okay. And fold it all the way up. Like so. Okay, and now you see where this corner is right there? You want to fold this triangle up like so. And now you see this back edge right there? You want to fold that right down to the bottom edge. And then you want to fold this corner to the back side. Okay, then you want to open up this pocket right there and fold that down. But you might want to open up the side as well, because it's a little hard to get in there. Okay, yep, got it. Okay, yeah, then fold that down. Then you see that tip, just fold that up. Okay, and now fold the corners back. Just like that. And you're gonna dent out the back side to shape out the stock. Shape out the pistol grip. So just fold in a little bit of that edge, the back edge. Okay. And now you see this smaller piece on the bottom right here. You want to fold that to the back, and you see this corner, and there will be a line that goes down like that. I don't know if you can see it here, but it's a subtle line. So line up this line with this crease line right here. Okay. Best you can. Doesn't have to be exact, but yeah, something like this. Okay. This is gonna be the trigger guard. Okay, then fold up the corners, fold that up, and fold the front portion as well. Okay, and now you see this corner right here. So kind of open up the front and bring this corner, the center, where that center line is, right up to this crease line right here. Okay, just like that. Okay, that center line, where that center line ends, up to this crease line right there. Okay, right on top. That, and bring this edge, and you're gonna fold it down right up to the trigger guard. So just like that. And now you want to bring that bottom edge right up to the top. So folding this whole front portion in half. Okay. So hold on to both of them, both layers, and kind of drag that right up. Okay. And the rest will follow. Okay, then flip it over to the front and bring this edge right up to this corner right there. Okay, make sure that front edge is up like that. Yeah. Okay, and fold just a little bit of that top. So yeah, open up this pocket, fold just a little bit of that tip. Like so, and then you're going to zigzag fold it back. So fold the front side back, that, and fold it up again. Okay, then fold this whole barrel in half. Or you can bring this corner right up to the top. then kind of roll the barrel out like so, best you can. And then you're going to square kind of this place out. Okay, so fold a little bit of that edge towards the back, right up to that crease line right there. Okay, so as you can see right there. So this is going to be a little tricky. So fold a little bit of that edge back and stop where that crease line is. Okay. And here's my origami luger. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.